The contents presented are derived from the Living Fully Manual. Empowering lesson. Expressing gratitude. To enrich our present moment experience, we must cherish the moments of life by having an attitude of gratitude instead of an attitude of entitlement. There are always things that are right in our lives as well as things that are wrong. What determines our present moment experience is what we focus on and how we focus. Therefore, what affects our experience of life are not just the realities, but more importantly, our focus on and perception of the realities. Take a few minutes to reflect on and make a list of the things that are good in your life and give gratitude for them. Refer to and expand on your gratitude list regularly. You can designate a notebook or a folder as the place to write and expand on your gratitude list, or use a word processor of the computer. The attitude of gratitude and the attitude of ungratefulness are both habitual ways of thinking. If you have the habit of thinking about the negatives in your life by focusing on what is wrong or missing, designate time periods in the day just to give gratitude. You may want to spend 5 to 10 minutes a day doing nothing else but focusing on the positives, giving gratitude, and reflecting on and expanding your gratitude list. Have at least one gratitude session each day, and soon you will be able to develop the attitude of gratitude. The attitude of gratitude is the habitual way of thinking about the positives, and this habit will enrich all the moments of your life. By having an attitude of gratitude, you can disperse the clouds of negativity and brighten your life. If some of the areas of your life currently seem to have more wrong with them than right, harness the power of relativity to enrich your life experience. Relativity is about making empowering comparisons which result in gratefulness, such as you may currently have financial problems that make life difficult for you, but you still have a solid roof to cover you. Compared to countless people in the world who do not have a proper shelter to live in, you have something to be greatly grateful for. There is always room for gratitude in our lives, because not only our partially filled glass could have been emptier, but it could have been even broken. Therefore, we can give gratitude for what is good in our lives as well as for what is not worse in our lives. The greatest fortunes in life are always the non-occurrence of the great misfortunes, which are not even recognized because they have not occurred. And we must recognize these great fortunes by realizing that things could have been always worse. When faced with difficult circumstances, ask yourself, how could things have been worse? And the answer to this question will help you to realize that your glass is not all empty or broken. Also, gratitude emotionally fills the empty part of the glass of life. When we are grateful for what we have, we can become emotionally as content as if we had a full glass. We have a physical glass in the world, which corresponds to our circumstances. And we have an emotional glass in our mind, which corresponds to how we feel about our circumstances. And if we have gratitude, our emotional glass will be full, regardless of the level of our physical glass. And if we do not have gratitude, our emotional glass will never be full, no matter how much we try to fill our physical glass. The level of our emotional glass is not determined by the level of our physical glass, but rather by our choice to think empowering thoughts and to express gratitude. The power of gratitude can enable a person to live in a cabin and be as content as if lived in a mansion, because the mind of the person is filled with enriching thoughts. Also, realize that the attitude of gratitude does not promote the attitude of passivity. You can be grateful for what is good in your life and at the same time be inspired to make all the areas of your life better in all the possible ways. Actually, the attitude of gratitude enables you to take the actions and do the things that will further improve the quality of your life, because you are starting from a positive emotional state. And a positive emotional state is supportive of taking positive actions and attaining positive results. Here are some occasions throughout the day to enrich your life by expressing gratitude. When you wake up or are going to sleep, give gratitude for still having the gift of life, which so many people lost during that night or that day. When you do your personal hygiene, give gratitude for the contributions that your body parts and physical senses make to the quality of your life, which so many people wish they had similar physical abilities as you. When you eat your meals, give gratitude for the food that you eat and the nourishment it provides you, which so many people wish they had what you have on your plate. When you enter or leave your residence, give gratitude for having a shelter, which so many people wish they had a place like yours. When you use your various amenities, give gratitude for having them, which so many people wish they had amenities like yours. When you commute, give gratitude for having the means of transportation, which so many people wish they had similar means. When you arrive at your destination, give gratitude for having commuted safely, which so many people wish they had a safe commute as you had. When you perform your work, give gratitude for having the opportunity to perform it and the benefits it provides you, which so many people wish they had an opportunity such as yours. When you do your daily activities, give gratitude for your ability to do them, which so many people wish they had physical and mental abilities like yours. Throughout the day, frequently take deep breaths, and when you do, give gratitude for still having the precious gift of life, which so many deceased people can no longer cherish. Make a commitment not to let your gift of life and what is good in your life to go unrecognized and unappreciated by regularly expressing gratitude throughout the day. Fill your mind with gratitude and brighten every step of the journey of your life.